lovely little tune. Almost feels like a dance. You kind of want to dance to it. Great, and kind of carries on in this little cheerful way, cheerful motion, beautiful melody. I think he's done a good job with this. It's short, it's sweet, and it's teaching you how to play in A major. There's 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So, you know, you have to be mindful of that and pay attention to the G sharp, because it's easy to miss if you're not careful. So other than that, this etude is joy to play. It's in forte, and you're just kind of trying to connect the notes as well as you can, connect the bows up and down, and really just you know, enjoy, sing it. This is a fun little tune. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.